So hey guys, it's me Fateh here, back again after a very long break from YouTube. And today in this video I'm gonna unbox this brand new OnePlus 9R in carbon black color and share the experience with you guys. And before proceeding with the video, keep that in mind that I won't be talking about any specs of the phone in this video. So with that being said, let's start. So at first, after opening the box, we get the obvious thing, which is the phone itself wrapped in this satisfying piece of paper. But anyway, let's keep the phone aside for now and continue with the unboxing. Then we get this flat box under the phone, and pulling the tab here you will be greeted with a transparent case along with some stickers, documentations and a SIM ejector tool. And the transparent case is nice and it has this huge Never Settle logo embedded to the case. If you ask me, it doesn't look that bad, but not as premium as the ones you get with the 9 and the 9 Pro. Then moving on, we have the huge Warp Charge 65 brick, and it's not a USB PD charger unlike the one which comes with the OnePlus 8T and charges all the other supported devices up to 45 watt. And last but not the least, we have the red USB Type-A to Type-C cable, and this coupled with the 65 watt brick will charge your phone from 0 to 100 within less than 45 minutes. And now let's get back to the phone and remove the protective film. And as you can see, this matte black, which OnePlus calls carbon black, looks so good. Also the matte finish looks very premium and feels great in the hand. It does an excellent job in hiding all the nasty fingerprints. It also reminds me a lot of the black Galaxy S21 Ultra, and from a distance it looks just like the OnePlus 9 Pro in stellar black color. Then moving into the front, the phone comes with a pre-installed screen protector like all the other OnePlus phones. And it's really good of OnePlus to provide a screen protector and a case right out of the box. But I feel like that they should have provided a USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter as well. But then again, there's nothing that we can do to make them provide that in the box, right? So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. And if you guys were wondering why the box wasn't sealed, that is obviously because I unboxed it once to check if everything was right the day before shooting this video. I will soon be uploading a full review of the OnePlus 9R after using the device for the next couple of days. And if that's something you would like to watch, then please do subscribe to the channel and enable the notifications. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, a like to this video would be much appreciated. And it's me Fateh Ahmed. I will see you guys in the next one.